study communication. Personal communication and mass communication including television, radio, press, films, etc. are the major means of communication in the country. Mass communication. It provides entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspapers, magazines, books and films. All India Radio broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional and local languages for various categories of people spread over different parts of the country. Doordarshan, the national television channel of India, is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. It broadcasts a variety of programs from entertainment, educational to sports, etc. for the people of different age groups. Telephone. India has one of the largest telephone network in Asia. In order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level, the government has made special provision to extend 24-hour STD facility to every village in the country. There is a uniform rate in STD facilities all over India. Next is newspapers. India publishes a large number of newspapers and periodicals annually. They are of different types depending upon their periodicity. Newspapers are published in about 100 languages and dialects. Largest number of newspapers published in the country are in Hindi, followed by English and Urdu. Next one is international trade. Trade between two countries is called international trade. It may take place through sea, air or land routes. Advancement of international trade of a country is an index to its economic prosperity. It is therefore considered the economic barometer for a country. Now let's study about export, import and balance of payment. When the goods are sent to other country for sale, it is called export. When the goods come from other country to be sold in India, it is called import. Balance of payment is the difference between export and import of a country. When export is higher than import, then this is a situation of favorable balance of payment. Now let's see the summary of this chapter. Transport, communication and trade are very essential for the development of a country. India has one of the largest network of roads in the world. Railways are the principal mode of transport for goods and passengers in India. Airways are the fastest, comfortable and prestigious means of transport. Air transport plays a very important role during emergencies. The two means of communication are personal communication and mass communication. Trade is considered as the economic barometer for a country. Friends, thank you for watching this video. See you again. Bye.